Hi guys, good morning. It's 5 a.m. in the morning and we are getting ready for our ride from Palakkad to Bangalore. And this is not a get ready with me video, it's just the intro. So please stay tuned and let's roll. Here is my beast all set and happy, ready for the ride. So let's start the journey together. One humble request, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get notified for my future videos. We have started early to avoid any traffic and we are expecting a travel time of 7.5 to 8 hours because we'll be cruising through the roads enjoying the scenery, and we would almost be covering 420 kilometers during the stretch. As this is the Christmas holiday season of 2023, my brother also hopped in for the ride, so he would be helping us with the navigation and also capturing all the beautiful moments with the skills what he have while being a good pillion rider. We are on NH 544 now, and today's route would be through Coimbatore, Tirupur, Erode, Salem, Dharmaburi, Krishnagiri, Hosur, and then we reach our destination Bangalore. മോനെ ആ കാറുകാർ പോയതുണ്ടോ? രാവിലെ ട്രാഫിക് ഒന്നും ഇല്ലാത്തത് കൊണ്ട് കാറുകളൊക്കെ കത്തിയിട്ടാണ് പറക്കുന്നത് റോട്ടിൽ കൂടെ. അപ്പം നമ്മളങ്ങനെ ആദ്യത്തെ ടോൾ ബൂത്ത് എത്തി. പക്ഷേ നമ്മൾ ബൈക്കിൽ ട്രാവൽ ചെയ്യുന്നത് കൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് ടോൾ കൊടുക്കണ്ട. As it's early in the morning, we can see that there is a little bit of fog and the climate is a bit cool. Normally while going on any trips, what I would do is if I'm going on bike, I would mostly plan my pit stop like every 100 kilometers. Like if I'm going on a long drive, like how we are here, we are completing almost 400 kilometers in the stretch. So I would plan to take pit stops per 100 kilometers so that the vehicle does not get heated up. It would give at least 15-20 minutes of rest time for the bike once we take a pit stop, and then we can continue our journey. We have crossed Coimbatore bypass some time back, and I think we are almost reaching Avinashi. We see that the siren is trying to come out, and I think we can move to our first pit stop and take a break. Hey guys, നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ആദ്യത്തെ പിറ്റ് സ്റ്റോപ്പ് എത്തിയിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഒരു ചായയൊക്കെ കുടിച്ചിട്ട് നമുക്ക് യാത്ര തുടങ്ങാം. This is my brother, the pillion rider. We have started after the tea break, so let's enjoy the view and continue further on our journey.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಕೇಳ್ಕ.
Hey guys, had a quick question. We saw a lot of bike riders riding the bike on the left hand side after the white line. Does anybody know why? അപ്പോൾ നമ്മളിവിടെ ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് വെള്ളം കുടിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി നിർത്തിയിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ജസ്റ്റ് ടേക്കിംഗ് എ സ്മോൾ ബ്രേക്ക്. Using this small break to click some pics and add up these to the memory libraries. Explored the cinematic mode on iPhone series to take a quick short video, and I think it does look good. While continuing the journey after the second break, the one thing to talk about would be the well maintained L&T bypass road, where you can hardly find any potholes, and that gives an awesome experience to any rider. We have now reached Salem, and what you see on the left is the Vinayaka Mission Research Foundation, which is a private deemed university, and it's almost 9 a.m. in the morning, and I think this would be a right time to take our next pit stop and have breakfast. So let's go ahead to the next stop. So this is the left which we would be taking near to Salem towards Bangalore. You can just follow the signboards to take the left. ഹായ് ഗായ്സ്, നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ സേലം കഴിഞ്ഞ് ആനന്ദ് ഭവൻ ഡിലൈറ്റിൽ ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റ് കഴിക്കാൻ നിർത്തിയതാണ്. ദോശ കഴിച്ച് നമ്മൾ ട്രിപ്പ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുകയാണ് ഇവിടുന്ന്. Since it's past 9 o'clock in the morning, we do see little bit of traffic where we see people might be going to their office, getting their busy day started. What we see here is a giant windmill leaf. So these are how they are transported before being installed. When these vehicles start traveling, they would have escorts in the front as well as in the back to ensure there are no other vehicles getting in the way, and also to ensure smooth travel. While I am busy using all the energy I gained from the breakfast pit stop in concentrating on the riding, we see here that my brother is completely vibing on a different mode. We can see his trying out all the possible filters, different angles, and not to forget all these things specifically for creating the memories for us. Time is almost 12:20 in the afternoon, and we have made a small stop after the Krishnagiri toll gate. As we can see here, there is a heavy rush or heavy traffic on the opposite side, where we see people are traveling to their hometowns. So they are going towards Salem, Erode, Coimbatore, Kerala. And this is a long weekend, as we all know. We have the Christmas weekend here, and I guess everybody from Bangalore are rushing to their hometown to celebrate the holiday season with their family.
All the memories we made under the summer sun, chasing after waves, the taste of berries on my tongue, sipping on a feeling, sun has got me healing, vibing out to your guitar. I don't wanna go yet, watch another sunset, wishing on a shooting star. Ooh, I know that it has to end. Ooh, maybe we could just pretend. Ooh, I know that it has to end. Maybe we could just pretend. I know that it has to end. Maybe we could just pretend. I know that it has to end. Maybe we could just
Hey guys, we are almost tired. It's been more than 45 minutes that we are stuck in traffic in Hosur. Looks like there is some work going on the highways, and there are multiple deviations, because of which we have a heavy traffic and we are running late.
Hey, can you stand now? Clocks on the each side, bad bitch on each side. Big splits chillin' on the beach side. Run things where you feel like. Cake big, have a carve out the piece like. Freestyle now, millions for each line. Too cool, man, I need ice in my beverage. Test this bigger, please find the exit.
ആരാ ആരാ ആരാണ് അതാണ് ആരാണ് എന്താണ്
Right now, man, active. Gone with the game like a bandit. We bring the flame like a mattress. Let's mean up, cut out the slackness. Active, stand up, attack, I'm man there.
And at last we are here, Nammoru, Bengaluru.